Hey crypto traders, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and today we are going to do analysis on the Venus protocol as it was a requested video by one of our subscriber Ernest Opung from the Ghana, and he asked for the SFP as well. So I'm gonna do the analysis of Venus, and after this video I will do the SafePal as well. So stay tuned for the analysis. So let me show you. I saw here on the coin market gal that we have 5 events coming for the Venus XVS here. You see 17th, 18th, 23, 25 and 30th of June. So you can say by the end of the last week or by the last 2 weeks would be good for the Venus, as we have multiple events coming soon. You see here multiple events coming soon, so we have to you can say that you see here VGB development and testing, preliminary audit finalized and public audit. You see here 10th, 17th, 18th, 23, 25. So we have XVS Venus has a lot of events coming soon. Now let's go back to the chart. Let me show you the chart here. So here we have the chart of Venus. If I go a little wider here, you can see here you can see the price went down straight. It was a falling knife, like if I take out that data, let me show you how much it dropped. It dropped 77%, guys. It dropped 77% over the course of 3-4 days. Okay, when BTC was crashed, that is back in the month. So now where we are standing right now, that's the main thing. So I'm gonna zoom in a bit. Okay guys, zoom in a bit, and here if you take a look, we are right now hovering over the support area. You see, this is the support area, guys. Support area. Okay, $22. This is the best support area for right now, although it has been tested once, twice, and might be we are going to test on this candle as well. So right now the things are looking shaky, kind of shaky. If I am looking at this, you see here, this one could be, you see the price is going down on the downside. And if I make a triangle wedge from here, we can say that the price is going to consolidate for some time in this zone. We might see a break side. If we take a look at the bearish pattern, then the bearish pattern gives us, you see, bearish pattern. If I take a look at here, you see when the price drop down from high to low, and when it goes to this kind of situation, then the breakout usually happens on the downside. So if we take a look at here, what do you see here? You see a pattern going down, and now we are in this phase, and from this we might expect the price to go down as well. You can see, just take a look at yourself. Hey guys, just take a look at yourself. See here, bullish pennant usually takes place when we move from down to upside. So right now we are moving, we have been in the downtrend. So it depends. You see here, as a you see here, this was a swing high, then another swing high was lower than the before, and then another swing high. So we are going down like step. Okay, so right now if we take a look from the downside, we are making high lows as well. So it is consolidating, squeezing into a 1 point. So we might see some breakdown or break outside. Okay, breaks down, the chances mostly might be the downside if we get high selling volume, guys. High selling volume. You see, just take a look at the volume is absolutely low. So what I expect, the price right now is indecision in the market, because yesterday the wick was absorbed by the sellers, and right now the wick has been absorbed by the buyers. So not bearish, not bullish, it is squeezing into a 1 point. here we might see some low volume and then a breakout either on the downside or on the upside. So if we go and take a look at the on the 4-hour chart, let me check the sports. The previous sport around this area would be, you see here, what do we have, guys? If we take a look at here, this could be our sport. This is the area. The next sport we would be looking for might be this one, the 19 point. Here you can see here, see this one. We might be looking for the next spot around this area because we made a swing high and the swing low candle here. So that's not a swing low candle, that's not a swing low candle, but it was, you know, rejected from this area. So we might see a price, you know, goes down to this area here as 19. Okay, 19.2, 19. This is what I'm looking for. If we take a look and grab the price tool, yeah, this one. Okay, 19 range. This is what although you see here we saw supply absorbed, okay, sorry, demand absorbed by the sellers here, this one here as well. Although we see this one is a green candle, and you see here the pattern, you see we have green candles here and now we have a red candles at this area, but this is getting rejected from this support line, this resistance line, guys. Okay, so if it closes above this area, then we might see a test at this zone as well. We need to break above here. Okay, if I draw a pattern from this, and let me show you the pattern. The price came down here, let me turn off it. The price came down, okay, and made a new swing low and then swing high to test the previous swing low here. Okay, then again what happened? The price came down, okay, to test the previous swing low. Then what happened? The price stayed in the consolidation phase, and once we break down of this zone around here, we went down. Okay, we went down, and what happened after that? The price goes down to this level to test the previous swing low here at this area, and after that the price went up to test this area which was broken. You see here at this area it was tested, and now again the price went down to test this swing low. Okay, and now the price is might be rejected. We might see another test to this level. We might see, you know, this is the swing high. So what I am expecting, the price might go down, might go to 26, and from that, for example, let me show you, this gonna test the swing high, and from there it can go down to this area to test the previous swing low at here. Okay, this is the pattern I'm looking at. Then it's gonna move on up to test this swing high, and from there we might expect the price again to go down to this area, and from there it's gonna squeeze, you know, it would be a squeeze movement. So that's how the price is gonna behave, guys. So if you want to place your buy orders, you can place your buy orders around here, around $22, and from next, if this sport gets broken, then you can place your buy order around 19. So that would be the current scenario, because we are in the bearish trend, not in the bullish trend, guys. So the most of probability would be the price going down instead of the moving on the upside. But these are the short-term price movements here. Okay, so that's, guys, that was the price analysis of this one, XVS. Thank you, guys. Take care. Bye.